Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to write the perfect script for your YouTube videos? Don't worry, hiring a professional scriptwriter is easier than you think. Whether you're creating content for gaming, education, tech, or storytelling, having a well-written script can take your video quality to the next level. And the best part, you don't have to do it all by yourself. There are tons of talented scriptwriters online who specialize in writing engaging YouTube scripts, customized exactly for your style and audience. So, how do you find them? It's simple, just head to Fiverr.com. You will find hundreds of experienced writers ready to help with prices starting from just a few dollars. You can check reviews, delivery times, and even message the writer before placing an order, making it super easy to find the right match for your channel. Do you want to get started? I have added the link in the description box below. Go check it out and find your perfect scriptwriter today. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.